All right, Jay Woods here, KTAuthentics Sports Memorabilia and Cards. We're going to do a box of Absolute Basketball for hche / One Morning / Howie / I Hate Jeff / I don't know. Alright, box numero 1. Yeah, I'll do that, Howie. Alright. Rajon Rondo, Terrence Ross, Dirk, Rashawn Holmes. 429 of 999. And Bobby Portis. That is patchy. At a 49. 23 of 49. Jordan number. eBay 101. 1, 2, 3 color patch. Bobby Portis. 3 color patch. Deron Williams, Draymond, Brooke Lopez, Robert Horry, the most clutch shooter in NBA history, 569, 999. $11 of 25, 1, 2, 3, 4 color. 4 color. Emmanuel Mudiay. 25. Ty Lawson, Trey Burke, Dennis Johnson. We got 2 numbered cards. We got Dennis Johnson, which is 989 and 999, and the logo 515 of 999. And dual jerseys, Al Horford, Jeff Teague, team tandems. Out of 99. 20 of 99, team tandems. Gobert, Aflalo, Korver, and 572 of 999, Yao Ming. Oh, I thought it was the other one. Damn it. 71 of 99. Thought it was Okafor. Jersey, and something. Rashawn Holmes. I thought it was Okafor when I pulled it out. That's why I saved it to last, Howie. My bad. Decent box. Some nice patches. Nice patches, Howie. Let me know if you want to do any more, man.